Hey Shopify lovers! Welcome to the world of dynamic product customization. Today, we're diving into the powerful EXPO app, which allows you to add conditional logic to your products, creating a truly personalized shopping experience for your customers. Whether you're looking to offer custom engraving, product add-ons, or special configurations, this video will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's start by installing the EXPO app from the Shopify App Store. Head over to your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps in the sidebar, and then navigate to All Recommend Apps to see more. Search for EXPO and click Add App. Once installed, you'll find EXPO in your apps list and follow the prompts to install it into your store. Now, it's time to create your first logic group. Imagine you sell some phone cases that have a lot of options to choose from brand to model. As you can see here, EXPO provides a user-friendly interface for users to configure. Start by creating a product field group, giving your group a descriptive name, such as phone case printing. This is the preset option that EXPO offers, or you can start from scratch. Click here to see more options. Keep these existing settings, or you can customize them to suit your purposes. I will keep the version that EXPO provides. Next, let's add the conditions logic. We will take the mobile brand option as the core, which is always displayed for customers to choose. Move to Option Sets of Model. Then, scroll down to the optional settings, and click on Visibility. To create this rule, we'll define the condition, the brand is Apple, and the action display, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and so on. It's that simple. You can continue to configure with other options. Next, with your logic group ready, we will assign it to the relevant products. Go to the Assign Products section in EXPO, and select 80s Tropical Palm Leaf Phone Case products. And that's it. Once you've set your rule, it's time to test it. Make sure the logic works as expected and that the customer experience is seamless. Thus, by offering personalized product options, you're not only enhancing your store's functionality, but also improving customer satisfaction. Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Download the EXPO app today and start creating dynamic product experiences that wow your customers.